This right here is a single hang window. As you can see here, this one comes with one lock, depends on your width. For other width, we can actually add another lock, depends on how many locking points is required. So it's easy for you to operate. So you unlock it this way and then you push it up. You can also use this handle to be able to lift it up, and you pull it down as well. As you're doing it, you can actually stop at any point that you would like it to be. So for ventilation, you can just open it only at this point. If you need to open it all the way up, you can also stop at any point that you need it to stop. For cleaning, it's easy for you to clean, so you don't have to go outside. We figured out that you can actually open from the inside, and you can clean your glass and then you push it back on. The window itself has a glazing stopper that is located on the inside for safety and security, so no one can actually remove the glass from the outside. It can only be removed from the inside. The last thing would be the weather strip. So opening the window back, you'll be able to see that it does come with a weather strip that goes all around. So the single hang window actually comes with heavy duty springs, which allow it to be locked at any point that you would like it to stop at. So for example, you can lift it all the way up to this point and it will remain still without any flimsy movement or anything like that. And you can easily push it down. So the springs are heavy duty enough for the window to be able to be carried up and down at the same time for you to be able to operate it just with one hand. On the outside of your hang window, as you can see here, the first thing that I want to point out would be your screens. So the screen is integrated inside the profile. As you can see here, it does have an additional rubber. This is to make sure that nothing will leak in, and it provides more stability and a more protection for the screen that could be used. Whatever screen that you might want to go for, we have fiberglass and we have other options, depends on your choice. And then the other thing that I want to mention is that the corner of each window is welded. So you can see here, it's a seamless finish on each corner. Underneath the window here, we have our drainage system. So you would see that it has two holes. However, the difference here is that they are hidden, so you're not going to be able to see them. So they all provide you with a seamless finish on the outside for your hang window. And then the window opens in and out, and you'll be able to see that from the inside.